In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow to rent an apartment in Zillow 2026 full guide. Finding the right apartment is a mix of speed and precision, and Zillow gives you both. Start by choosing your platform. On a desktop, head to Zillow.com and select the Rent tab. On mobile, download the Zillow Rentals app for iOS or Android. Type in the city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code to focus your search. If you're targeting just a few blocks, use the Draw tool on the map to circle the exact area you care about. This is especially helpful in 2020's competitive neighborhoods where a block or two can change price, vibe, and commute. Next, dial in your filters so you only see real contenders. Set your monthly rent range along with the number of beds and baths you need. Under home type, choose apartment or condo/co-op, or pick room if you're open to a shared place. Layer on lifestyle filters like pet policy, in-unit laundry, parking, and your desired move-in date. As listings load, watch for the verified poster badge. It's an added signal you're dealing with a legitimate landlord or property manager, which can save time and stress. Once your search feels right, save it. Hit Save Search. Then enable instant alerts by turning on push notifications or email. In fast-moving markets, great apartments can disappear within hours. Instant alerts help you act first. And because your filters are already set, every ping you get should be relevant. When a listing catches your eye, open it and evaluate the details carefully. Look beyond the base rent and identify the total monthly cost. Check for a security deposit, application fees, pet rent, parking fees, and whether any utilities are included or extra. Use the rent zestimate as a benchmark to gauge whether the price aligns with similar units nearby. Prioritize listings that include 3D home tours so you can walk through the layout virtually and get a sense of light, storage, and flow before scheduling an in-person visit. When you're ready to reach out, tap Check Availability or Contact Manager. Sending your Zillow renter profile streamlines the process. In 2026, a pre-filled profile with your income range, credit score, and move-in date lets you apply with one click and often places you at the top of the inbox. Keep your communication clear and timely within Zillow, and never share sensitive information like full account numbers in messages, and that's it. Use these tools with a focused search, precise filters, smart alerts, and careful evaluation, and you'll find a place that fits both your lifestyle and your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.